Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how to turn a pretty bad green screen, so we have my green screen over here, into a pretty decent green screen. So for this thing, it's very simple to do this, and everything that you need is already built into Premiere, so it's very optimized, and well, you don't need to download any plugins or anything like that. And as you can see, it's a very dramatic difference. So alright, let's go over here. And now you're gonna go over to your effects and you're gonna search for Lumetri control. So you're just gonna drag this right onto here. I only have crop. This is the other effect I have that's just for the green screen. You would normally mask this to be a little bit better, but I don't need to do that. Okay, so you're gonna go to Lumetri control and you're gonna open up HSL secondary over here. Okay. And then you're gonna go over here to the set color and you're gonna try to get sort of a in-between color of the one that you're gonna want to mask. So you see you have the lighter shades of green over here and you have some darker shades. So we're gonna go for this thing, which is right in the middle over here, and you're gonna check this box that says show mask. Okay, so basically how this works is all the color that you can see is the stuff that you're actually selecting, and the white is all that you're not selecting. So in our scenario, we want all of the green screen to basically be visible, whereas our guy, we want our subject to be completely white. So now we can play with these things a little bit. We can just capture a little bit more shades of green. So as you can see, if I just open this up a little bit, it's gonna capture more of the shades of the green screen. And you don't want to go too overboard because you can also start capturing your subject, and I'm going to show you how that looks later. So we're just gonna leave it at over here, you know, and we're gonna take the mask off, and then we are gonna come down here. So you come down to correction, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna set tint, contrast, and sharpen all to the lowest setting possible, while we're gonna bring saturation up to the maximum setting. Okay, and then over here you're just gonna select green over here, and you're pretty much done. You know, you can go into these things and adjust it a little bit more even, but that's not really necessary. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here. You know, we have a pretty decent green screen going on, but we do have quite a few different shades. So we're gonna come right over here, which is add color, and we are just gonna try to capture these things, and we're gonna put it back to mask. So we're just gonna have a little bit easier of a time. So for all of these little sectors, you can zoom in a little bit more as well, so you can just capture it a little bit better. So that's pretty good, and that should mask itself out in ultra key. And this seems a little bit more problematic, but there we go, we got it. Let's try it. There we go. So we have a pretty decent job over here. Okay, let's zoom back out. We can remove the mask, and you know, this is the green screen right over here. You know, looks pretty decent. You know, we can turn off the effect just to see the difference. You know, and you can see the playback speed is really just not affected at all. So that's very nice as well. Now, if you go overboard with the amount of detail that you capture, so it's gonna be a little bit tough over here. Let's just reverse that. What we can do is we can just select another color that we shouldn't select. So let's see if we just add this color, for instance. So if you go a little bit overboard with the selection, you're gonna start to get an effect like this, where it's gonna start masking the subject, which is what you don't want. But this is pretty much it. Very simple. You know, then you just go to your keying software, which is Ultra Key, sort of by default in Premiere, the best option. Then you can just select this and put it on aggressive to be a little bit better, because our green screen is pretty bad. But yeah, you know, that's it. You know, very easy, very fast masking job that I just do all the time, because I just don't have the equipment or, you know, the space to set up a proper green screen here at home. But yeah, very easy to improve. So hopefully this helps, and yeah, have a nice day.